We've been driving around.
Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm so glad you're here today. I have so much motivation for you, y'all. We are going to deep clean this living room. I'm taking down curtains, moving and cleaning under the couch. I have several tips for you today, but first I'm going to take all these curtains down so I have them washing and drying while I'm cleaning up the rest of the area.
Don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long.
Now, before we jump in, I wanted to let you know that today's video is in collab with someone very special. Her name is Bex Link, and she is a cleaning mom and lifestyle channel. She has some of the best cleaning motivation, routine, and day in the life videos, and I'm telling you, if you watch one video, you will want to watch them all, as she has some of the most helpful tips and just great content all together. She also has the cutest little girl ever, and if you go follow her on Instagram, which her IG is goals, by the way, you'll see more on her daily life and get even more inspiration. So after my video, you'll have to go check out her video. She is doing a kitchen deep clean. So together we have some deep cleaning motivation for you, and I will link her video in the description, and her Instagram handle will be linked as well in the description box below. If you're coming from Beck's channel, hello and welcome. I do homemaking style videos such as cleaning, decorating, and organizing. If these are things you enjoy, I would love for you to join my growing YouTube community.
No one knows just how we want it. We want it. Going left, going
All right, y'all, as you just saw, the window seals have got to be cleaned, and you already saw me take down the curtains. I'm washing and drying those so that I can be cleaning these windows and window seals while those are washing. I'm actually going to start outside because a lot of the dirt that gets trapped in the window seal is on the outside of the window behind the screen. So I'm going to get the bulk of that dirt off from starting outside, and it also just makes it easier because I'm able to take my hose and have it act as almost like a pressure washer and knock it all off. Not to mention, I'd rather have that dirt following onto my patio or yard rather than my living room floor.
and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention. Don't need nobody else in our zone.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
So I decided, since I was already outside, I would go ahead and kind of spray down some of the patio furniture and get the pollen off of it by just wiping down some of the areas and hosing down some of the areas as well.
Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that
You might notice that I'm not wiping down the blinds, and that is because they are already clean. I dust my blinds weekly and I wipe them down once or twice a month. I also do this with my baseboards and ceiling fan, and because of that, when I go in to do a deep clean and or spring clean, that is one less thing I have to do. And let me tell you, it takes so long to clean my living room, like deep clean my living room, because it's a larger space. It's about 400 square feet, so anything I can take off my deep clean, spring clean checklist, I will do. So my tip for you is to get cleaning products or cleaning tools that make it easy for you to clean these areas, such as your baseboard and ceiling fan blinds, because it will make it so much easier on you later, especially when you're doing a deep clean or spring clean.
If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find a remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said.
So for my couch, I'm just going back and forth, vacuuming it and dusting it with a dustpan brush to get off any hair, crumbs, and dust. I can't really wash the covers, as when I tested one of the covers, it messed up the material a little bit, and I just don't want to take the risk on the rest of the couch. So what I do to get a good clean is take baking soda, sprinkle it across the cushions. I let it set for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I slowly vacuum the baking soda off. This cleans it and makes it smell really fresh. Once again, this is something that's in my routine as well, so I will not have to be adding this to my deep clean today. And what I'll do is I'll actually share a video on these routines that I'm talking about to give you a little bit of a better idea on how this looks. So make sure you're subscribed and notifications are turned on so that when my routine video hits, you will be alerted and get a better look on how I do this and maybe implement these routines in your cleaning routine as well.
What you like to do? Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down.
All right, y'all, so I'm going to be cleaning under the couch, and my husband got home, which I was really excited about, just in time for him to help me move these couches. So you'll see a little appearance from him as he is helping me move this couch.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it cause we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone. Making plans up as we go, where we dance when no one knows just how we want it. Going left, going right, doesn't matter tonight, just how we want it. We want it. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody.
All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna spray the couches down with my Caldrea Rosewater Driftwood Scented Room Spray. I love this. I know y'all saw this in my last video. It is a new favorite of mine.
Don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone. Another season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind.
All right, y'all, so here's the tedious task of taking every single one of my decorations down to dust them. I do a surface dust on the decor, but I don't really wipe them down often. So this definitely has to be included in my deep clean today. And not only that, but I need all of these decorations off my shelves and fireplace because I am redecorating it entirely, which will be in another video that will be out in the next couple weeks. So you'll have to stay tuned for that video as well.
'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see.
All right, all done. I cannot wait to redecorate this. I cannot wait to fix and clean up all the wires. And I also have to figure out what I'm gonna do with the cable box. I wanted to share a tip with you that I learned about 8 years back from a cleaning lady from the apartments that I worked at. We had a model apartment that we would show to potential leasers, and to make the model apartment look more finished, we would do several things, but one of those would be we would take a brush to the couch and swipe up and down with it to give it that more finished, clean look that gives you the same effects, kind of comparable to vacuum lines. So as y'all probably noticed, and I'm so sad about this, but I had moved the couch and vacuumed the areas of the rug that doesn't get tended to daily, but I did not roll up the rug to vacuum and mop under it. I was so sad I forgot to do this and was debating if I even wanted to add it to this video. So I went over to my Instagram and asked y'all what y'all thought I should do, and 90% of y'all said I should go ahead and get it over with, roll the rug up and add it to this video. So that is what I did, and that is what I'm doing now. You'll see I'm going to be using my Dyson vacuum and my Shark steam cleaner, and I'm using my Shark steam cleaner on the scrub setting. I just really wanted to get it clean under there, as I don't clean under there often.
All the future and what's been, guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times.
Y'all, I hate to leave you hanging with all of my decor sitting on the floor, which is funny because this living room is so sparkling clean, but looks dirty or messy because of all of the decorations on the floor. But I really wanted today's video solely focused on deep cleaning this living room and the windows, so make sure you're subscribed and make sure the notification bell is turned on so you get alerted when I post my future videos, especially if you're wanting the satisfaction to see all of this decor fully put away. And if you're curious to see how I decorated this space, I'm also hoping my living room decorate with me video gives you tons of inspiration as well. As for today's video, I hope it gave you the motivation you needed and maybe even some reminders of areas that you need to clean in your home. All right, y'all, don't forget to head over to Bex Link's channel as she is moving on over into the kitchen. And if y'all head over there, let her know I sent you. Her links will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.